Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate QR code scanning on iPhone Air. Typically QR codes are on it already activated, so if you just take a QR code and try to scan it, then you should be able to do it. I'm just gonna find a QR code that I'd like to scan. I have it open right here, and now if I go to the camera app on the iPhone, I can hover the iPhone over the QR code and click on this yellow button to open the website from the link. Now if it doesn't work, then you may want to go to settings, then go to camera and find scan QR codes and make sure that it's enabled, because when I disable it I won't be able to do it, and when I enable it I am able to do it. And by the way, you can also scan QR codes from an already taken photo or from a screenshot, so I'll try to do it because I think it may be also pretty useful. I'll just take the photo, and now if I go to my gallery app, to my Photos app, then when I find the photo I can simply press and hold on the QR code, technically. Yeah, and then click on open in Safari and open the link. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.